Hello, I am uppercase letter Q. Right now, you're going to practice how to write me. But before, let's see. I am Q for whale. Great. First, you need to grab your pencil. You go to the dot. You trace O first, all the way around. And you go to the side of the O and you trace a small line sideways down. Good. There you have your letter Q. Next, round and a small line to the side. Great. Round and a small line to the side. Perfect. Round and a small line to the side. Great. Round and on the side, trace a small line down. Perfect. Now you know how to trace your letter Q uppercase. I hope you write more letter Qs in your book. See you. Bye bye.